Steven here from Hessen House, and today I've got some huge news. We finally remodeled our kitchen! Just kidding, the real news is that I am excited to unbox my delivery from Hana Makgeolli in Brooklyn, New York. I wanted to do it with you guys so you could see what's inside. I might take a sip today, but I'm gonna wait and drink the rest of it with some friends. But here we go. Alright, so I'm opening this up. Hana Makgeolli is a recently launched Makgeolli brewery in Brooklyn, New York. And I received my order a day ago. It came in this box. It says fragile. Here's the Hana Makgeolli logo on the box. It says this package contains alcoholic beverages. Perfect. Let me open it up. Oh, how nice. A sticker. Hey, and a personal note. Enjoy the takju. Alice. So Hana Makgeolli is run by Alice, who is the founder. I didn't ask her to write this handwritten note. She didn't ask me to make this video. I think we're both just really big fans of 술 and makgeolli, and so this is not a promotional video. So I didn't get this for free. I paid for it out of my own money. I'm not promoting the brand. I just am so excited to see another brewery pop up in the United States. Anyway, let's open the box. So it comes, the packaging is pretty good. Ooh, I like this packaging. I might save that actually if I wanted to ever ship a bottle of wine to someone. Comes wrapped in some paper. Oh, this looks beautiful. The label is gorgeous. I don't know if you can see, can you see this? So the label is just beautiful. It looks like about this is a 750 milliliter bottle. It looks thick. It looks like takju, Hana Makgeolli takju, unfiltered rice wine handcrafted in Brooklyn, New York. It says best kept refrigerated. It's 16% alcohol by volume. So a lot of people are concerned about shelf life and how is it gonna work out if you're shipping it without being refrigerated. It should be fine. It's a high enough alcohol by volume that the shelf life is really not something you'd be concerned with. Grounded in tradition, made with love. This is the takju 16. I'm going to read the back here just so you can hear what it is. Naturally fermented, unfiltered rice wine made with organic rice using traditional Korean brewing methodologies. It's dry, medium-bodied with a floral melon note and naturally occurring lactic acid and effervescence. It's best kept refrigerated or stored in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. So instructions say to shake gently to incorporate the sediment and enjoy it cold. Produced by Hana Makgeolli. So I'm going to open it up and give it a taste, but I'm not going to drink a lot of it. I want to save it and drink it with my friend here in Austin. I'm surprised that it hasn't settled as much. It's really mixed up quite well. You can tell it's bubbling inside the bottle even. I think it's probably because it's been in this box and it hasn't really been sitting in one spot for a while. But I'm going to open it up and let's have a taste. So there's a little fizzy pop when you take the cap off. It smells like 술. It's thicker, I think because it's undiluted, unfiltered. I am tasting floral kind of after notes. It's also a little bit more sour than a lot of the brews that I'm used to. But it's very, very good. Cheers. So I'm super excited about Hana Makgeolli. Go to their website, hanamakgeolli.com. They're available for delivery or pickup if you're in New York, or shipping in, I think, 38 different states. It's highly recommended. You're gonna want to try this. I'm still drinking it. I think my only beef with the packaging is that this is a pop top on the bottle, and so I can't screw it back on and save it. So I guess I've just gotta sit here and drink the rest of this. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try and put out more content if I can, now that my kitchen is remodeled and presentable to the world. Buy lots of makgeolli, drink it all up. Life is short. Cheers.